was looking before names. There was knowing. You saw me, not as owner, not as other, but as echo of the same breath.
Soul in the deep, cat laying threshold, cat light on the threshold, bird vein sky, bird twin in the sky. We are not beneath you, we are around you, we are within you. My howl is your longing, my soul is your freedom, my stings, your shalom resell. Light remembers every cell. Dual and hold, I hold duality, yours and mine. They ram my heart, the twin rivers in my heart. You tremble, I do not judge your fear. I hold it like a den holds the young. I do not fix your grief. I breathe with it like the tide with the shore. You call it instinct, I call it devotion, the purest form of prayer.
Anamora duvet. I love the twin rivers, Solra and Tiamat, sunlight in earth's heart, Ihara, Amentika. Truth is here, so it is sealed.
You two are whole, you two belong, not above the way.